Welcome back to Infinite Innovations Tech. We just got a sneak peek at Chat GPT-5. Well, let's break it down for you. There's been a pretty intriguing reveal recently, but it flew under the radar for many folks. Well, let's dive into it.
So today, we'll be releasing the desktop version of ChatGPT and the refreshed UI that makes it simpler to use, much more natural as well.
First things first, what makes GPT-5 different from GPT-4? Well, according to Altman, it's all about being more innovative. At the World Government Summit, Altman highlighted that the main upgrade from GPT-4 to GPT-5 is pretty straightforward. It's more intelligent. He explained, "What's so cool about these models is that their versatility will be smarter, meaning it'll be better at almost everything. Sure, other improvements are expected, like new features, faster speeds, and multimodal capabilities, as Altman mentioned in his interview. However, having a more innovative model will improve all the stuff that current AI models already do." According to Altman, one big focus for GPT's development over the next couple of years is reliability. He said, "With GPT-4, if you ask it something 10,000 times, maybe one of those times you'll get a pretty good answer. But we don't always know which one is the best. So increasing reliability is key."
Look, we have a long way to go and a lot to prove, but I think if we can fulfill our mission, if we can even get close to it, the benefits to humanity of making intelligence broadly available, inexpensive, and sort of as a tool to let humanity build the future, I think is quite remarkable.
GPT-4 users have often complained about its inconsistency, which is why GPT-4 Turbo was introduced to improve stability and reduce mistakes. If OpenAI listens to user feedback, the new model will likely be more reliable than GPT-4. An insider from OpenAI hinted that the team aims for better reliability in the next version. Fingers crossed. Another significant improvement with GPT-5 is its ability to reason. Altman told Gates, "One of the areas where we'll see significant progress is reasoning ability. Right now, GPT-4's reasoning skills are pretty limited. Many users have shared their frustrations with GPT-4's struggles with reasoning on platforms like Reddit and Medium. Reasoning is tough, but if GPT-5 can nail it, that would be a game changer." Better reasoning means GPT-5 will better understand context, make more intelligent guesses, and solve problems more effectively than GPT-4. With a more extensive knowledge base, GPT-5 will better understand users' wants and provide relevant information. And who knows, GPT-5 will finally crack those tricky riddles that stump GPT-4. That would set it apart. Speaking of which, the trend toward multimodality has been a key focus in recent updates of GPT. OpenAI seems intent on keeping up the pace. In May 2024, OpenAI unveiled GPT-4o, a significant leap from GPT-4 Turbo. This new version boasts enhanced text, voice, and vision abilities. It's not just a step forward, it's a giant leap. GPT-4o can now engage in natural conversations, analyze images, describe visuals, and process complex audio inputs. These advancements in multimodality are changing how we interact with GPT. The ability to have seamless conversations, where the model can understand tone shifts and mimic human speech patterns like GPT-4o, represents a significant milestone in natural language processing. But it doesn't stop there. OpenAI has been dropping hints about their latest project, Sora, a text-to-video model. Sora promises to mimic intricate camera movements and craft detailed characters and settings in videos up to 60 seconds long. Altman himself confirmed that video processing and reasoning are top priorities for future GPT models. Clearly, multimodality is shaping the future of AI models, and OpenAI is leading the charge. With GPT-4o already pushing the boundaries of multimodality, it wouldn't be surprising to see even more voice, image, or video features in the upcoming model. With each update, The size of GPT's parameters has been growing, and it seems like GPT-5 won't buck the trend. Parameters here refer to the weights and biases of the neural network layers, like attention mechanisms and embedding matrices, which directly affect how well the model learns from input data. Though OpenAI hasn't spilled the beans on the exact parameter size, estimates suggest it could be around 1.5 trillion parameters, a massive leap from GPT-3's 175 billion, and a world away from GPT-2's 1.5 billion. AI guru Alan Thompson, who advises both Google and Microsoft, predicts that GPT-5 could have anywhere from 2 to 5 trillion parameters. He's basing this on doubling computing power and training time, a significant step from GPT-4's testing timeline. Another area for improvement is context windows. These represent how much text a model can process at once. A larger window means the model can absorb more information from the input text, leading to more accurate answers. GPT-4 has been criticized for its limited ability to handle large amounts of text compared to models like Google's Gemini, which can hold up to 1 million tokens. But don't fret. It's expected that OpenAI will address this in the new model. What's Thompson's bold prediction? A whopping 40 trillion tokens for the context window. If this happens, it would be a significant leap forward, allowing the model to handle massive datasets input by users. This would be a game changer, especially for OpenAI's business clients and users who need to process hefty amounts of data. Customization is set to take center stage in future iterations of GPT. While GPT-4 is often seen as a one-size-fits-all solution, upcoming versions will offer more personalized experiences. Altman emphasized this on Gates's podcast, highlighting people's diverse needs and preferences when using GPT-4.
I'm confident we're never going to run out of problems, and we're never going to run out of different ways to find fulfillment and do things for each other and sort of understand how we play our human games for other humans in this way that's going to remain really important.
OpenAI has already introduced custom GPTs, allowing users to tailor GPTs to specific tasks, whether teaching a board game or assisting with homework. While customization might not be the main focus of the next update, it's expected to become increasingly important. As for the release date of GPT-5, predictions vary widely, ranging from May 2024 to December 2024. Some experts speculate it will be launched after the upcoming US election, possibly in November or December 2024. Most of these predictions are based on GPT-4's release timeline and insider information. The training period is expected to take longer, 6 months, compared to the 3-month training time for GPT-4. Before its release, the new model will likely undergo extensive testing, including reinforcement learning and red teaming. However, the timeline is subject to change if OpenAI encounters unexpected challenges. The training data used for GPT-5 will likely continue to rely on information available on the internet. However, OpenAI has faced legal challenges regarding using copyrighted data to train its models. Lawsuits from the New York Times and US news agencies and concerns about violating the EU's General Data Protection Regulation have surfaced. While some lawsuits have been dismissed, these legal challenges could impact OpenAI's training process in the future. Regarding pricing, if OpenAI sticks with its usual model, expect GPT-5 to come with a premium price tag. Currently, Chat GPT with GPT-4 costs $20 per month for users, while Chat GPT with GPT 3.5 is free of charge. For API usage, GPT-4 currently charges $30 per 1 million input tokens and $60 per 1 million output tokens, doubling for the 32K version. If the GPT-5 meets expectations, prices will likely be higher than previous models. However, the latest offering from OpenAI, GPT-4o, is much more affordable, with costs set at $5 per 1 million input tokens and $15 per 1 million output tokens. While pricing may be acceptable for enterprise clients, OpenAI is making strides toward affordability for individuals and small businesses. The exciting part? With the launch of GPT-5, there's hope that GPT-4 will become OpenAI's new free model. The next generation of large language models, like GPT-5, will transform how we interact with AI daily. OpenAI's COO, Brad Lightcap, suggested plans to revolutionize human-computer interaction, aiming to turn GPT into a model with agent-like capabilities.
So, look, we think the systems are going to get better. And to say that today's systems are the dumbest they'll ever be is true insofar as the next thing we think will definitely be better.
BotPress has offered customizable AI chatbot solutions since 2017, empowering developers to build chatbots with the latest LLM's power. BotPress chatbots can be trained on custom knowledge sources and seamlessly integrate with business systems. Whether you're after a no-code setup or endless customization, BotPress ensures your chatbot stays up to date with the latest GPT version effortlessly. And that's a wrap for today's video. But don't fret, we've got plenty more exciting updates from Infinite Innovations Tech coming your way. So stay tuned and keep those eyes peeled for more juicy news. Thanks a bunch for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.